In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2B2T on Xbox. So as you can see, you can actually play it. It's actually added on your Minecraft, and if you want to play it on your Xbox, then I have in here the support article in order to help us. So if you're a Bedrock Edition player looking to experience the 2B2T on your Xbox, then what you can do is you can just head over here. So as you can see, the 2B2T is the oldest Anarchy server in Minecraft. It runs on Java Edition, and if you're using Bedrock, then you won't be able to actually use it. However, if you have Java Edition, then you can actually run it. Now, in there, just head over and open it on your actual Minecraft on your Xbox, navigate to the servers tab, and then add a server. You can actually just enter the server information that you can see right here, so head over and save and connect. So for example, if you have 2B2T, you can just change it into 2B2T if you have Javarock installed into your actual Minecraft on your Xbox. So another alternative is choosing 8B8T, which is a cross-platform play. And like 2B2T, it has no rules or restrictions, allowing complete freedom, and has longer history and active community. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.